Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you and tell you how to cut yarn without scissors. And this will be a full tutorial, so let's get right into this instructional video tutorial. As you can see right here, I have a strand of yarn, and I'm going to show you how to cut something like this without using scissors. It's actually fairly easy to do. You just have to understand how it works. If you look at the yarn, you'll notice that it is essentially strands that have been like sort of spun together. So what we're going to do is we're going to pick the spot that we want to cut without using scissors. So let's say I wanted to cut this spot over here. I'm going to go on both ends of that spot. So this is the spot right here that I want to cut without using scissors. I'm going to go a little bit to either side just like that, okay? And then I'm going to twist the yarn so that it unspins. Okay, so you got to look at the yarn and figure which direction you have to twist, but twist the yarn so that it unspins and then push it together so you can sort of expose the strands. So if I'll just pull them apart, give me a moment over here. I know it's kind of hard to see, so I'll do that one more time. Okay, so I'm going to try and get it on camera a little bit better this time. Let's say this is the spot right here that I want to cut without scissors. Okay, where my thumbs are. I'm going to go a little bit to each side, so a little bit to this side and a little bit to this side. That's the spot I want to cut without scissors, and I've gone beside it. Now I'm going to take my fingers and I'm going to spin the yarn so that it unspins. You're going to kind of use your judgment to see which direction you have to spin. Okay, so I've spun it so that it unspins, and I'm pushing it together slightly, and now I can see the various strands, and I'm going to pull them apart and I'll show you. So if you take a look over here, you can see that we have one strand. Okay, there is one strand right here, two strands, three strands, four strands. There are four strands right here. Now that they're all separated, it's easier to pull them apart and to sort of cut them without scissors. So you can see the strands are all separated over here. So I'm literally going to take each of those strands and I'm just going to use my fingers to rip them apart. And it just gets a little bit easier because then you get, once you separate one of them, you know where the spot is. So I'm going to separate this top one over here by just sort of pulling it apart. Just give me a moment. Just going to do my best. There we go. I pulled it apart, okay? And then I'm going to do the same thing with the other ones. So now I'm just going to do the other three strands. So this is going to be strand number 2 over here. Okay, I'm just kind of using my fingers to sort of pull it apart. Give me a moment. Over here. There we go. That's number 2. And then we have strands number 3 and 4 over here. And I'm just going to separate them. And we have strand number 3. I'm trying to do my best to make it as clean as possible. And last but not least, strand number 4. And that was it. And as you can see right here, we have now cut the yarn. Okay, you can see we have cut the yarn, we have separated the yarn, and all that we had to do was literally separate it into each individual strand and just rip those strands apart. Now, is this the cleanest cut possible? Absolutely not. You can do a better job of making it clean. You can even clean it up at this point, you know, after it's already been separated and after it's already been cut. But yeah, basically, if you want to get it cut and you don't have scissors, then you can, you know, if you want to cut it and you don't have scissors, you can use this method, and then you can do it as cleanly as you possibly can. You just got to take a bit more time and a bit more effort, but I just wanted to show you how to do it. So yeah, literally that simple. That is how to cut yarn without scissors. I was going to demonstrate myself doing it again, but honestly, it's straightforward enough that I feel like I don't even need to show you again. I explained it, I showed you, I don't need to do it again. You know, it was very straightforward. So yeah, that's basically it. That is how to cut yarn without scissors. Super easy instructions, and you can do it as well as long as you just sort of follow the instructions the way that I've shown you how to do it. And that's it. Hopefully you've enjoyed the video. If you like this video tutorial, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.